Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to expand pictures in MS Word. Let us start by opening MS Word. Once you have opened the Word file, click on the Insert button given on top. First, you are going to insert a picture, then we'll expand it. Now click on the picture. Click on From File and browse your system to locate the picture that you want to add here. After selecting the picture, click on the Open to insert it. Once it is added, click on the inserted picture to select it. You'll see small squares or circles around the picture. Move your cursor over one of the handles until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Click on Drag the handle to resize the picture. By dragging these arrows to the maximum size of the page, the picture will be expanded and you can adjust it according to your page. Next, click on Layout Options. Here, select the option to set the lines behind the picture. Now again, drag the arrows from both sides of the picture to expand it. Also, expand it from the top and bottom in the same way. Adjust it as per your need. Once you're done, your Word page is ready for use. Just make sure you have selected this option from the layout options. Once you're done, click on Menu from the top. Then click on Save As. Add your file name and hit the Save button. As you can see, our file is ready with the expanded picture. Now you can use it wherever you want. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.